Yo, what's up? Okay, so I started stretching today. It's almost been 2 weeks since I stopped stretching. Um, and I started stretching again today, and it feels like it's not spasming. Okay, I also went to a psychiatrist yesterday, and because I really feel like this back pain may be related to um, mental health as well, I guess you could say. And I definitely have emotions that are like all over the place, and to some degree in my life, I've been able to like deal with it, um, like through writing, mostly through creating music, through just basically following passion. I think when I've been able to align passion with tradition, um, it's it's definitely I've gotten somewhat control over it. But at least at this point in my life, I feel somewhat out of control of it. Majorly because of the situation I'm in, kind of with work and everything. But I feel like right now clonazepam would be it would definitely calm me down. I guess it's kind of similar towards like alcohol a little bit. I've never taken it in big doses like 5 milligrams to 1.5 milligrams to 1 milligram at most, maybe like once a week or whatever. But I got the other day I got this drug, Abilify, 2 milligrams. Comes in this little tiny pill, and I am, um, it's kind of like it's interesting because I went and looked at all the videos that I could find on YouTube, which was a ton. There's actually a ton, and my opinion is that a lot of the people who take this product, I don't know, I don't know. I for one, I'm not taking this with other drugs or anything, and it seemed like a lot of people were saying like this was an antipsychotic drug. Um, but the way my psychiatrist explained it was that it's also excellent for mood stabilization. But a lot of the people that I saw talk to, or not talk to, but watched videos, was kind of like this. Um, it seemed to when they used the word anxiety, um, it seemed to increase anxiety and even put people into anxiety attacks. And one guy was having like twitching tongue and arm and all kinds of weird stuff. And I found one guy out of probably like 10 videos I watched that said, he kind of liked what it was doing for him. But it seemed like a lot of people, they would gain weight on it, which for me would actually be a good thing because my weight is with anxiety and stuff, what I call anxiety. It would, it's kind of hard to explain, what I'm experiencing when I say anxiety because a word is representing something that is completely subjective. Not completely, because I mean, one thing you could see is that I'm skinny. And for me personally, I know that I've lost weight over years, etc., etc. So I'm, but really the, I mean, so I guess I'm taking this pill for two reasons. One, because of the mood, but also it's my back. I mean, though my back, I 2 weeks now I haven't been in the ocean because the ocean is just screwing it up. But and I do have an appointment next month with an osteopath. So I'm just trying things, and so here's my first night of taking this. I have no idea what this thing will do. If it's anything like if I have any experience similar to what people in the videos are saying, this should really give me a worse subjective experience. So I've decided to do this over the weekend when I don't have work. So if it screws me up, at least hopefully I can have a day to recover from taking. Oh man, the legal way to take drugs is work with tradition and meet with a psychiatrist. But we'll see what this does. I mean, I guess I don't know. All the videos I watched yesterday really kind of freaked me out, and I'm tempted to even break this pill in half. But one thing I wanted to say is this medication, 30 pills, cost $592. This is about $600 for a 30 pill bottle. For me, 15. So I mean that would be awesome if this worked, and I could like totally. I mean, it's like an extra $600. Well, of course I'm not selling it, but anyways, hopefully I know, we'll see. So my next video, I've overall the last 2 weeks have been pretty good. I haven't really had spasming since I stopped stretching. I started stretching today, and so my back's feeling pretty good. I can feel it kind of tightened up a little bit in the lower. I always call it the quadratus lumbarum. It seems to be like right center of it. And I know there's a bunch of muscles right there, but this seems to be more almost how it felt before it went chronic before. So there's my update on that, and we'll see if Abilify will give me any relief. Stay tuned.